In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Facebook Ads Manager. Mastering this tool can skyrocket your digital marketing efforts, allowing you to reach your target audience more effectively. The journey begins by heading to the Facebook Business Manager. This platform is your mission control for managing advertising on Facebook. It's where all your marketing efforts on Facebook get streamlined, tracked, and optimized. Once you're at the Facebook Business Manager homepage, you'll notice a prompt to log in with your Facebook account. Go ahead and click on Log in with Facebook. This will lead you to a page where you can choose the account you wish to access the Business Manager with. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the one associated with your business. After logging in, it's time to dive into the specifics of managing your ads. On the lower left panel of your screen, look for the Ads option. Selecting this will bring you one step closer to unleashing the power of Facebook advertising. Next, you'll see an option to click on Ads Manager. This is your gateway into a comprehensive dashboard that gives you unprecedented control over your advertising campaigns. The Ads Manager interface is user-friendly, offering a suite of tools designed to enhance your ad campaigns. Now it's time to check out your account overview by navigating to the given link or simply finding the option in the Ads Manager dashboard. The account overview page presents a bird's eye view of how your ads are performing. Here you can quickly assess the effectiveness of your campaigns and make informed decisions on how to improve them. Understanding the performance of your ads is crucial, but creating and managing your campaigns is where the real magic happens. This is where campaigns come in. Navigate to the campaigns section to start crafting your ad sets and ads. Whether you're looking to boost brand awareness or drive sales, this is where you tailor your campaign to meet your objectives. But how do you know if your campaigns are hitting their marks? The answer lies in the Ads Reporting section. Here you can dive deep into the analysis of your ads, inspecting various metrics and KPIs that inform you on the health and success of your campaigns. It's all about understanding what works, what doesn't, and why. Another key aspect of effective advertising is knowing who to target. The Audiences section is your toolkit for managing who sees your ads. Whether you're aiming for a broad reach or a niche group, understanding and managing your audiences effectively can make or break your campaign's success. Finally, let's talk about keeping the engine running. Payments. The billing and payments section is where all transactions are handled. Whether you're adding funds to your account or updating your payment method, ensuring your billing and payment information is up to date is essential. It's the backbone that supports your advertising endeavors, ensuring that your campaigns run smoothly without interruption. Now, as we wrap up, remember that mastering the Facebook Ads Manager is a journey. Take your time to explore each section we've talked about today. Experiment with different settings and strategies to find what works best for your business. Also, don't forget to frequently check your account overview and ads reporting. These areas are rich with insights that can guide your decision-making process. Adjust your campaigns based on performance data and audience feedback to continuously optimize your advertising efforts. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating and making the most out of the Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to refine your advertising strategies, the Ads Manager is a tool that can significantly impact your business's online presence and success. So dive in, test out what you've learned today, and watch as your campaigns begin to deliver better results. Remember, the digital world is always evolving, and so should your advertising strategies. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep growing. Thank you for joining me in today's session. Happy advertising!